If we don't know that change is happening before our eyes, then we are truly blind. A boy born a slave in Katlehong woke up today not as a victim, but as a billionaire. A real billionaire. Self-made, self-owned, self-defined. He fought for 18 years to defend his truth against Mahoa, who tried to steal it. They offered him millions to walk away. He refused, because it was never about the money. It was about the truth.
But one Jew guy who died, Michael Gordon, whom I was a student of in finance, told me something that I still remember to this day. As a Jewish guy, he said to me, Nkosana, I want to tell you, do not trust these guys.
Yeah.
The only person who really, really cares about you is yourself.
Makate didn't pray for help. He stood for himself. He used African resilience to fight them, Sekgowa, in their own system, and he won. This is what abundance looks like. Win-win situations where justice meets light. His story reminds us, truth may take time, but it never dies. It rises with the sun. We give thanks to Ramasedi, the Most High. A leboge Ramasedi. Thank you, son.